What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing team is rolling out a new update for Nothing Phone 1, which is NothingOS 1.1.6 version. It's not a major update, but with the minor update size, they have done few changes which we'll talk about them in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 1. I have already installed the latest build of NothingOS. Let me show you the software information. As you can see here, NothingOS version is now 1.1.6, which comes with 1st September 2022 security patch. So till now, most of you guys must have received this update. And talking about the changelogs, here towards the left hand side, you can see list of changes done by Nothing, which includes some new features, camera improvements, and other system improvements. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video, and we still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. First, let's talk about the new features what Nothing have added on Nothing Phone 1 with this latest update. Now with this new update, we do have the support of Google AR Core. Basically, Google AR Core is also known as Google Play Services for AR, which allows developers to create augmented reality application, and it's also a quite useful feature which can come in handy in your day-to-day usage. You can read more about Google AR on internet. After that, they have also added the support of 5G for Jio SIM card, or you can say Jio network. Though here in my area, I still don't have access of Airtel 5G or not even Jio. So I can't say much about the 5G connectivity or the speed. What are you guys gonna see on Nothing Phone 1? Then talking about the camera application, there are some improvements done with the camera application too, which says now sharper videos with improved stability. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison. Towards the left-hand side, this video was shot before updating the device, and towards the right hand side, that video was shot after updating the device. Yes guys, there is a noticeable change, or you can say difference. Videos are more stabilized with the newer update, and you also get to see more details compared to previous camera quality. So here a great thumbs up to Nothing team for continuously improving the camera. And another change what they have done with related to camera application, now recording light indicator is always on. So here you can see if I close the application also, by default that recording indicator is on now. On previous build, we always had to turn it on manually. So here you can see. And if you enable this, a red LED will glow on the back side of your phone, indicating that video is being recorded. After that, they have optimized the fluidity of the launcher, and yes guys, there is again a noticeable difference. You can see the video before and after the update. I personally felt now the animations are more smoother and more fluid compared to previous build of NothingOS, which was 1.1.5. Later with the next changelog, they have mentioned now we get to see more accurate battery status. So this will get to know after using the device for a while. So we'll update you guys in the in-depth review video. Talking about the next changelog, that's related to HDR playback. So if you guys are wondering, do we have the support of HDR in Netflix? So no guys, still we haven't got the support of HDR in Netflix. But now if you play any HDR video on your device from any OTT platform, you'll notice more brighter content now. I did check out before and after updating the device, and there is a noticeable improvement. Also, I found one thing weird. For example, if I'm using YouTube application and all the HDR movies or videos are on the screen, brightness automatically increases if the video preview starts to play. So I think here Nothing should have added some restrictions, like this should only work with the videos which are being played in full screen mode. But it completely depends person to person, because if I'm using YouTube, I mostly watch videos in full screen. And this looks weird because if you have one HDR video on the screen and other normal videos, and if that HDR video preview starts to play, the brightness automatically increases. But again, a good improvement done by Nothing team. Later, they have also updated more reactive flip to glyph interface. So here you can see towards the left hand side, that video was shot before updating the device, and towards the right hand side, that video was shot after updating the device. So here you can see a lot of animation difference. Previously, everything used to glow at once, but now we do have a smoother animation which comes from bottom and goes towards the top of the device. But you guys let us know, do you like the new animation of flip to glyph or not? Then another change is again related to glyph charging light, and now that light syncs with sound effects. Though I did not notice much of difference, but if you guys have noticed, then do let us know in the comment section below. And at last, they have updated NFC sounds and general bug fixes have been done. About the stability part, we'll get to know once we start using the device, and as always, we'll be coming up with in-depth review in which I'll be including everything like camera quality, battery backup, gaming performance and other stuff. And still Nothing have not increased the resolution of screen recording. I think Nothing should do this because there are a lot of people who do gaming and record their gameplays. So guys, this was a quick look and all the changes what Nothing have done with the newer update of Nothing Phone 1, which is NothingOS 1.1.6. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.